How to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Devant Smart TV. So to be able to easily connect a Bluetooth speaker on your Devant Smart TV, the first thing that you'll need to do is to activate Bluetooth on your Devant Smart TV. To begin the process of connecting your Devant Smart TV to a Bluetooth speaker, access the TV settings menu, locate the Bluetooth settings, and enable Bluetooth functionality on your TV. Ensure that the Bluetooth feature is switched on to allow pairing with external devices. Now put your Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode. Depending on the speaker model, you may need to press and hold a specific button or follow the manufacturer's instruction to activate pairing mode. Once the speaker is in pairing mode, it is ready to connect to your Devant Smart TV. Now on the Devant Smart TV, search for available Bluetooth devices, locate your Bluetooth speaker on the list of available devices and select it to initiate the pairing process. Follow any on-screen instructions that may appear to complete the pairing between TV and Bluetooth speaker successfully. Now adjust the sound settings and enjoy your enhanced audio. And that is how you can easily connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Devant Smart TV.